The Stavanger region has a lot to offer, including the city's stunning street art, the Stavanger Art Museum, some of Norway's greatest restaurants, museums for all ages, Old Stavanger, the Stavanger Church and Fargegaten, Norway's Street of Colors. Stavanger is the administrative, economic and cultural center of Rogaland County. Stavanger is a pocket-sized metropolis with residents from over 180 countries, many multinational company headquarters, a vibrant and comfortable city center with restaurants from all over the globe, and good flight connections to the Nordics and continental Europe. Stavanger, which is adjacent to farmland and rural landscapes, provides a lot of hiking and recreational opportunities. Also, Norway's energy capital is Stavanger. The city has been at the heart of Norway's growth as an energy nation for the past 50 years. Building on the experience and traditions of the oil and gas industry, public, commercial and academic institutions are increasingly collaborating to create sustainable energy alternatives, such as offshore wind and hydropower. The city of Stavanger promotes activities that can lead to the creation of long-term high-paying jobs. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. Old Stavanger is a tiny historic area with wonderfully maintained wooden structures from the 18th and 19th century. If you just have a few hours in Stavanger, there is one site you should definitely see. Workers in the sardine canning business used to live in this protected area. A visit to this old district with its white wooden houses, beautiful flowers and well-kept tiny gardens is a great treat for the eyes. You'd almost forget that people live here now as you stroll along the small cobblestone lanes with their old-fashioned street lamps and deserted seats. Gamle Stavanger is perhaps one of the greatest sites to visit if you want to get a genuine sense of ancient Norway. Gamle Stavanger, Old Town, is located to the west of the old harbor Vagen, just a few minutes walking distance from the Strandkaien cruise ship terminal. Street art can be seen on practically every street corner in Stavanger, and the city has risen to become one of the world's top towns for street arts. The Old Nord Festival helped put Stavanger and the surrounding area on the map for street art. As a visitor, you will be treated to a spectacular visual experience that you will not forget soon, with amazing works on outdoor walls, mostly in Stavanger and Sandnes. The Museum of Petroleum, which is frequently voted the greatest museum in Stavanger by guidebooks and visitors alike, has a lot to see and do. Not only can you learn everything about oil, but you will also get a greater knowledge of the petroleum industry importance in Norway. It changed the course of a country that was once on the brink of poverty into one of the most wealthy countries in the world. There are models of oil platforms and ships, as well as rigs with emergency slides and escape room where you can feel what it's like to try to evacuate from a burning rig. There is a question and answer trail to follow, as well as plenty of hands-on activities and a themed playground where kids can wear a helmet and uniform and build their own oil platform.